going on, everybody? I guess today we're going to be doing more of like a vlog style than what I would normally do in some of my other videos, but I want to fill you guys in on a little bit about what's going on with, if you watched my last video, I said that I had a surprise this weekend, and well, maybe that'll give you a hint. I guess you probably already figured it out by the thumbnail photo, but I'm taking the 20s off, the 20 by 10 wheels and tires off. I didn't want to put them on for the winter, but it's what I had for an option at the time, and I didn't think I was going to be driving this truck that much through the salt and the snow and the crap, because I thought I was going to fix that Subaru I have sitting in my driveway. But I've been driving it every day, and the wheels are covered with salt, which I'm not really worried about. I wash it off as much as I can, but the ride with these wheels and the frost heaves in the Massachusetts roads right now, the roads are horrible. Like, as bad as they are in the summertime, they are 10 times worse right now because of the roads freeze and then they frost, and they look like a damn roller coaster. So what I ended up doing was I went out and I purchased General Grabber AT2s, factory size, 245, 75, 16s, and I'm going to put them on my factory rims, and hoping to get a much better ride quality out of it, and also I'm not going to ruin my nice wheels and tires I just bought. My $1,800 wheel and tire package I just purchased. So it's Saturday morning right now. I'm on my way out to go get these things, get the old tires dismounted and thrown away, and then get the 4 new General Grabbers mounted and balanced, and then I'll bring them back home and I'll put them on myself. I don't like people touching my cars or trucks, so anytime I get the chance to work on something myself, I do it. But I don't have a tire and balancing machine yet, but I will eventually. So stick with me here, and we'll go get these things put on, and then we'll get them put on the truck. One thing about this truck that I find kind of strange, it's just the drive-by-wire pedal on these things, because they don't have a throttle cable like the gas trucks and stuff do. It's an electronic pedal, and it's very sensitive when you're driving over bumps, like especially where the roads are so crappy right now. When you're going over bumps, like your foot is just constantly like jiggling up and down on the thing, and you can feel the truck going whoa, whoa, whoa. And it's a different feeling, that's for sure. So you have to have a really steady foot to drive this truck, otherwise you're going to be bouncing all over the place. Okay, we're back here, and I got the tires put on. The guy that put them on actually said that the beads on these things were corroded really bad, so he pulled the old tires off. They had 285 75s on them, and he cleaned up the beads really good with a wire wheel, and he bead sealed them. So I shouldn't have any problems with these. I may end up refinishing these things at some point, stripping all the clear off and polishing them up. I've done it before, but these are kind of an intricate rim. It'll take me a long time to do it. I haven't decided if it's going to be worth it for me or not. People want big money for these rims still, though. Like, I was looking on Facebook and Craigslist, and people were asking like $300 and $400 for these rims still in good shape. It's nuts. And they're not anything special. If they're like a 17 or an 18, I'd probably just keep them on the truck. But I got to get these wheels off. I don't like to see these things covered in salt. Look at the road grime on them right now. It's disgusting. Paid $1,800 for these wheels, and they look like crap. So I got to get these things cleaned up and taken off the truck, and get the other wheels on here. And I'm going to do that probably tonight or tomorrow morning. So I'll probably end up doing a time lapse of that. Well, guys, it's the next day. I didn't take any video footage yesterday because I ran out of time. So it's Sunday morning now. I came out here this morning and threw the wheels in the truck, and they look so little. But I just took it for a ride down the road, and the thing drives amazing again. Those other wheels really make it drive like crap, especially with all the frost heaves in the road right now. So these will stay on through the winter, and I'll put them back on as soon as the roads clear up and the all the frost heaves kind of calm down a little bit. But in the meantime, these will be nice cruiser wheels. And I'll put the other ones back on when it's warm out. I'll probably throw these wheels on when I do some like towing. We have a camper that we tow through the summertime, so I'll throw these wheels on for then. But that's what it looks like again. Looks like a little baby. I literally got soaked head to toe out here putting these on this morning, but they're General Grabbers. I think I said that already. General Grabber AT2s. I've had them on my other truck before. They drive great. They have good traction. And so anyways, guys, if you've watched my previous video, I'm currently on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I have like 315 subscribers right now, and I'm trying to hit my goal of 1,000 so I can continue to keep the channel going and continue the growth, and also to bring in a little bit of income to pay for my camera and my equipment. And to do that, I need 1,000 subs. So if you watch my videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching them all the time, make sure you click the subscribe button, and also the notifications bar up in the corner too, so you can get my updates. I've been trying to upload like every week, and I may actually do them 1 to 2 times a week. Now that it's getting a little warmer out, I'm going to have a lot more content going on. So make sure you subscribe for more. And thanks for watching this video. I'll have another one up soon.